You can show me something, maybe दूर से ही. Yeah. Oh my god. No, I don't want to touch.
Daily touch.
No. You want to touch?
Never.
This is what?
No, triangle venom.
Oh my god, no.
Only touch.
No, I don't want to touch.
Python.
Python eats, right? मतलब.
No, bite me never. Touch look. Only touch.
Ew.
Come you round the neck and take pictures. Come you round the neck and take pictures.
Oh my god.
Okay, daily size.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh my god. How is it feeling? Good?
Can you get it off?
Can you please show the cobra?
Can I just...
Come you.
Please show the cobra too. Cobra.
This one cobra. This one.
Where? Oh my god.
Are you taking the picture?
You should do it. Eee.
Manนั่นแหละมากินงานเนี่ยปะเด็กเขาแบบ
Dude, how is it so calm?
เด็กที่ชอบ
This like this. Many pictures. You like this.
Look at its face.
Yeah, kind of weird.
It's not dead for sure.
It's good though. Sleeping.
Oh my god, I'm just in front. What if it just jumps?
This one take a picture around the neck.
What's with the face? No. How old?
This one 10 years.
10 years. What do you feed it?
Beef.
Beef.
Chicken.
Cobra? Where is cobra?
Cobra poison. Bite me cobra poison.
Oh my god. Okay.
Jump.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm taking video for you, not for myself. Okay. I'll upload it on YouTube. You will be famous, not me.
You go.
Okay, that was very, very interesting. I've never seen, like, we have snake charmers in India, but not python.
Yeah, I don't see these guys in the Go to the lighthouse.
Yeah, let's go to the lighthouse.
We're a trash can.
Yeah. Oh. Plastic waste, paper waste, food waste. Okay. तो अभी हम लोग गॉल के डच invaded area में, like this area was colonized by Dutch people. And मेरे साथ जो मेरा friend है, he's from Netherlands. So is this something historic? How?
The VOC. Which means Verenigde Oost-Indische Company or something like that. It's like a United Indian Company. And it was the pretty much the company that was in charge of colonizing the whole world, pretty much.
Oh.
So seeing this logo is like kind of crazy.
Oh, I can see an Indian hut.
Oh, what the heck?
But it would be super
We should
costly.
probably walk on there. Check out the view and the cabin.
Yeah.
More ice cream. Oh my god.
The weather and everything is so awesome.